we've talked about the adjustable drill bit and described what we were going to be making with the fixture, let's actually get started on it. First thing I need to do is cut a piece of wood. This is a Stanley 358 miter box. And we're going to use it to cut off a short section of this 2x4. We don't need much, just enough so that I can get a couple of holes drilled in it, because what I want to do is end up with a fixture that will handle more than just one size chuck. While you're making it, might as well make it right. I'll just do a quick top dress on this block so that I've got the corners chamfered and looking decent and a good flat spot to start with. For that, I'm going to use this number 3. Bet you're wondering what this is. No, it's not a popular deodorant, although the container used to hold that. That's beeswax. Makes the plane cut better. Now this is just a reclaimed piece of pallet wood. Nothing fancy. Now I'm going to lay out some lines on this piece of 2x4. I'm going to be drilling 2 holes in this block. One which is going to be 1.5 inches, and I'm going to put that back here in the back. And that'll be for the larger chuck. Then I'm going to put another one up front for the smaller egg beater chucks, just so that I'll have it available. I'm going to put that one 1.5 inches in from the end, so that I leave a good piece of wood out here on the end to act as a gripper. Then the second one I'm going to put in at 4 inches in from the end. And the only reason for that is so that I have enough space in there left to make a good hinge in the back. Now my board is 3.5 inches wide, so I'm going to make the center line at 1.75 inches and do that twice, one on each line. And I'm going to use this little gimlet. Yeah, fun little toy. And I'm going to put a starter hole right there. And then another one right here. That's just to get the tip of the auger centered so that I don't skid off position. First time I've actually used this tool. But there's a rule at old Sneelock's workshop. Everything here either has to be working or on its way to working. And this one just passed the test. It's working. a backer board underneath this so that when the pilot screw breaks through, it'll have something to grip through. And I won't have to try and drill it from the backside.